Hi everyone, and welcome to this grueling DIY. Today we'll be making a Halloween-inspired cutthroat necklace and matching earrings. Slide a large and medium red crystal onto a head pin and form a loop to make a bead drop. Next, slide one medium and three small red crystals onto an eye pin and form a loop to make a bead link. Now attach the loop on the small crystal side of the bead link to the bottom loop of an ear wire. Attach the loop on the bead drop to the loop on the other side of the bead link. Repeat to create the matching earring onto the necklace. Cut 2 6 1/4 inch pieces of chain. Then cut one 3-inch piece of chain. Now cut a 7-inch piece of beading wire. Use a crimp tube to connect one end of the beading wire to a loop on one end of the 6 1/4 piece of chain. String on about 3 3/4 of small and medium-sized red crystals. Use your crimp tube again to attach the other end of the beading wire to a loop on one end of the other 6 1/4 length of chain. Always starting with a large red crystal bead on the bottom, slide various lengths and combinations of crystal beads onto 9 different head pins and form a loop to make 9 blood-dripping beaded drops. Go ahead and hang the beaded drops at random spots along the bead strand. Now use a 4mm jump ring to attach a larger clasp to the end of the other 6 1/4 piece of chain. Use a 6mm jump ring to attach one end of the 3-inch extender chain to the other end of one of the 6 1/4 chain. Finally, slide a large, medium, and 2 small red crystals onto a head pin and form a loop to make a beaded drop. Attach the loop on the bead drop to the other end of the 3-inch chain.